Who never do this on LinkedIn? Swipe. So most of you who are searching for jobs on LinkedIn will be tempted to click on that easy apply button. It's right there. So you'll see all your job preferences and there's a button over there which says easy apply. Never use easy apply because easy apply will never get you any job. This is the single most important tip that each one of you who is searching for job on LinkedIn needs to know. Any HR professional, if they see any HR professional for that matter get thousands of applications via easy apply, where do you stand a chance? So the most easy thing what you need to do is this. Just see what I'm going to show you. This is pretty easy, but always do this technique. So you are on all the jobs. Now, for example, you see over here, it's a digital marketing specialist, and then you have over here all the job vice president marketing, white slaves. For example, you click a job over here. What you will find, easy apply button, never do this. Click more, go down, and try to search who has launched this job. So there will be some HR professional, so remote full-time director. And what happens is a lot of times you'll find a person who is in the HR in this particular company. Click on this particular, and now people go on people, and then you search for where they live. Uh, Search for what they do. So human resources, check for human resources. You can also check for recruitment by the way. And over here you'll find Rashmi, Shibu, Swapnil, Paul, Mary, Anita. These are the people who are in talent acquisition. It's always a good idea that you drop a message to this set of people, these HR recruiters, and tell them that, hey, I saw an opportunity in your company for this particular position. Can I connect with you to know much better over, or can I ask you a couple of questions? What happens is you will build a relationship, and this relationship will get you job. So again, before I end this video, never click on easy apply. Always network with the right recruiters and the HR or placement officers, and then request them for their time to understand more about the job, or you ask questions which might not be there as a part of the JD. More simple, post the JD on ChatGPT, and ask ChatGPT what all things are missing as a part of this job description. It will act as a HR critic and give me list of 5 questions which are missing in this job description. ChatGPT will give you a list of 5 questions. Now you need to ask those questions to the HR recruiter, that these are the questions I have. Much simpler, right? Always build relationship and then get the job.